Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download code from Lovable AI. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for lovable.dev and then sign into your account and make sure you are in the right workspace, and then go to all projects. Now select the project that you want to download code from, and then inside the project view you will see this one, code. Now you can open any code that you want, for example sls page index.tsx, or you can open app.tsx or any code, and then just simply click on download file. The file will be downloaded to your laptop successfully. Now this is the first method on how to do this. The second method is to simply connect your project to GitHub. After you do the connection to GitHub, after you press connect GitHub here, and then you input your credentials, your GitHub credentials here, and authorize the connection, a repository will be created in GitHub. Then you can simply download all the codes for this project, all of them inside one zip file from GitHub, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.